Steel is a melee tank who uses his shield to protect his allies. Steel can use his shield defensively to block incoming damage or offensively as a means of crowd control. When playing Steel, pick up cards that increase your health, physical, and energy resistances. Early game, use your abilities to zone out enemies and keep them from gathering amber. Steel can take a ton of punishment with his shield block. If you or your allies pass through Force Shield, you'll gain a shield buff. Charge knocks enemies back in the direction you're moving. As soon as you have your ultimate, Shield Slam, look to set up kills for your allies. So, initiate with your ultimate, then charge enemies back into your team. Late game, your ability to lock enemies down is crucial. When initiating a fight, target the enemy damage dealers, and don't forget, Force Shield blocks enemy projectiles.
PlayStation